Hello, my dear old students. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. This is our eighth week of this semester, and in this week, we are going to know about Gauss elimination method by using C programming. Gauss elimination method. Okay, now let's start. At first, I would like to brief about Gauss elimination method. Actually, this is a method by which we can an identity matrix of the same order as that of A, like A is a matrix, is placed with A, then A is converted into an upper triangular matrix. Okay, then this upper triangular matrix is transformed into an identity matrix by similar type of row transformation. All the row transformations employed to convert into upper triangular and then into identity matrix are also performed on the adjacent place identity matrix. Finally, when A is transformed into the identity matrix, the adjacent matrix given to the inverse of A. Okay, very simple. Then, to increase the accuracy, it is essential to make the large amount as the pivot element while employing only row transformation. For doing this or doing Gauss elimination method, we need to follow an algorithm which is called Gauss elimination method. The algorithm is given here. At first, start the program, then input the total number of equations or unknown number of equations. Then take the input elements as a row matrix wise, then convert the matrix into upper triangular matrix, then calculate the values of the unknown numbers or unknown variables using backward substitution, then print the values of the unknown variables, then stop. There is an example given for you by which this example is solved by Gauss elimination method using C programming. So all of you can see that there are three equations given here. These three equations, from these three equations, we identify the value of x, y, and z, which are the unknown variable of this equation by using Gauss elimination method. At first, we need to write the header files, which is stdio.h and math.h. Then we start our main program and declare the variable which we need. There are some float variable and integer type variable. Then take the input from the keyboard, that means the number of equations. Then take another input which is the argumented row matrix type. That means the unknown variables coefficient. Okay. For this, we need to execute two for loop because as we take the input in the two-dimensional array. Then we check whether the value of I greater than j. Then we just divide the value of um, upper value divided by lower value. Okay, then we can get float type value or integer type value. Then we just do some mathematical calculation for creating upper triangular matrix. Okay. The whole program is given for you for so that you don't face any difficulties. Then there are the inputs where you can see that row wise all the inputs are taken from the keyboard and the solution of each variables are given here. Okay, thank you all. This is a very short lecture and I hope all of you understand it very clearly. If you face any difficulties or have any problem, please let me know through e-learning. Thank you all.